in this lesson, we will check the Effects tab to add some elements that are already animated inside Lumion. So, for example, we have fountains, fire, smoke, fog, and leaves. Let's get this smoke, and let's go here to the top of the house, and we can add it here. 1. Okay. Now let's go back to the movie. And here, let's edit this clip like this. And here, just move like this. Okay. So now you see that we have this smoke animation within the animation of the camera as well. So let's see what else we can add. We can, for example, if you had a fireplace, this is nice to add. So maybe actually this house doesn't have any interior, but it will be a nice thing to add. If you have this fireplace, just put this here, and when you animate it, will have this animation. But for now, I want to add, so go back here to not to fountains, no, to fog. And let's see, we could add here some fog around this area, like let's pretend that it had some lake there, and let's move it up a little bit. Move it more or less like this. Increase. Okay, you can change the color to some more green. Okay. Brightness, let's leave it as 0. Well, actually at 1. Density, just a little bit like this. Can increase the emission and the speed as well. Okay, let's leave it about here and move it just, can be like this. Let's go back to movie. Let's play our clip. Okay, so we have this fog here animating with animation. Okay, now another thing, leaves. So we can add here as well. Let's say can be on this one. Let's add some leaves. So we can put them around here and make it higher. Then you can change the color to something more like this. You can change the wind, so which direction you want the wind going. So let's leave it as it is for now. Actually, more or less like this. The amount you can reduce drastically to about here, just to give some slight effect. The type of leaves, this is fine. And the size. And if you go back to the movie, so you see that now we have these leaves falling. Okay, let's go back here. Now I want to go to here, people and animals, and I just want to show you that you can add this seagull, for example, and just move it up. And this is already animated, so it has its own animation. So you can add a bunch of this. For example, one like this, another, let's move it here, and another one, another, different positions, height positions. Okay, can add, for example, a pigeon flying as well. And duplicate. Let's see. Okay, see showing here, flying a little bit, so. Okay. And that's it regarding the effects and elements we can add to our scene. The next lesson, we'll start animating people and cars.